Hello everyone. Start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, then divide the back portion of the hair into two sections and then pull the left section through the top as such. Tie a ponytail at the bottom and then tie a rubber band in the middle section. Now roll the hair in on itself as such. Bring it together and then lift it up, make it into a bun and then fasten it in its place using a bobby pin. After this, add a decorative pin to the top of it. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a section of the hair in the middle. Now roll the hair in on itself through the middle and then pull it through the top as such. Tie a low ponytail and after this, divide the hair into two parts, tie a rubber band to the middle of it. Now divide the section of the hair into two parts and then pull the one of the sections through the top as such, pull the second section through it as well. Add another rubber band in the middle section of whatever is left over and pull it through the top as such. Do the same with the other side as well, tie a rubber band at the base and then insert it underneath by adding a bobby pin to it as such. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back as such, roll the hair in on itself, divide the hair into two parts and then begin to braid both of the sections. Now, after you are done braiding both of the sections, lift it up and then tie the left section onto the right side and the right section onto the left side as such. Pull it through as such and then, after pulling it through, begin to make the right side braid. Now, once you are done making the right side braid, pin it up onto the left side. After this, add a decorative pin to the top of it all. This is what it will look like. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take a section from the left side of the hair and then pull it through the top section as such. Then divide the remaining portion of the hair into three parts and then begin to braid the hair as such. Once you are done braiding the hair, roll the hair up and then pin it up onto the left side. Add a decorative pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then make a ponytail at the bottom at the base. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections after dividing it into two parts, roll the hair in on itself, and then pull it through the top as such. Do the same for the other side as well, tie a low ponytail as such, then tie another rubber band at the base, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun that you have created, and then insert the hair into place. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then add a rubber band to the middle of the hair, roll the hair in on itself once more, and then bring it through the top. Then at the bottom, make three sections out of the hair and then begin to braid the hair as such. Once you are done braiding the hair, roll the hair upwards and then pin it up in place. Make it into a bun before doing so. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back as such, roll the hair in on itself, and then divide the base of the hair into two parts. Now take the left section of the hair and pull it through the right side, and then using this section of the hair, make a braid out of it, and then pin it up towards the left side as such. After this, insert the hair into place as such, use bobby pins to do so. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail, divide the hair into three parts as such. Taking the middle portion of it, make a braid out of it as such. After this, add a rubber band to it. Add a rubber band in the sides as well as such. After this, make a division in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, and then roll it up once you are done. Make a bun out of the hair and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.